Inside this unassuming box lurks one of the great pens of the world, and it's a new variation on it because it's a different colour. I talk, of course, about the Pilot Custom Urushi, and here it is. Now it's great in the sense of its size, and it's great in the sense of its finish. This Urushi is beautiful, and it's great at the heart of any fountain pen. The nib is to die for. It's absolutely gorgeous. So here we go. So we can see the pen there. To give you some idea of the size, there we are. That's it. Ooh. Put it back there. Well, I've got a Lamy Safari. Rather old and well used. But as you'll see, the Custom Urushi is significantly bigger. And it's a fascinating thing about pens that when you look at the different size of pens, you might think, oh, it's not that much bigger. But when you get them in the hand, the smallest differences can make a huge change to the way the pen feels in the hand. So let's get rid of this. Let's have a closer look at this. So here we are, the Custom Urushi. The Urushi lacquer is an absolutely magnificent finish for any pen. It's really pretty much bomb-proof and will continue to look marvellous for the whole life of the pen. You've got the engraving around there, Custom Urushi. You've got the classic clip with the ball on the end there. No unnecessary decoration at all, which actually I like. But what I do particularly like, as you well know, is to have a good look at the nib. And this is, well, first thing to say is it's a whopper. The second thing to say is it's absolutely beautiful. There we go. And the third thing to say is that although I'm not going to write test this, anyone that's had the pleasure of using one of these nibs will know it has a lot of life to it. Bouncy and beautiful and wonderful. So there we go. Now, it is, as many Japanese pens are, a cartridge converter pen. This is often seen to be a bit of a weakness, but personally, I don't think it makes a lot of difference. It is absolutely glorious. There we are. So, the difference is, of course, the colour. It is blue. They've always been red or black in the past, but now we've got blue as well. Red, black and blue. Which one do you want? Well, I get one of each if I were you. The Pilot Custom Urushi.